Alright guys, quick short for you. I had a truck that came in and it had a evap vent valve code, P0449, and the customer said that it wasn't running great sometimes it would run great, sometimes it would get great fuel mileage, sometimes it wouldn't get great mileage at all. So I ran a scan on it, checked for the evap code, and was like, well, fix what's broken. Did a circuit test, lit a test light, or headlight bulb, so put a vent valve in it, went to test the system and was getting funky readings. So I was pretty sure there was another problem, which was the fact that this solenoid right here, with it unplugged completely, just like so. I have a vacuum cap on this. Should not be getting vacuum leaking past this valve. And I tapped on it and everything, and it wouldn't change anything. But no codes for that valve. No, do a system test. Awesome. The old fire department rolling by, ruining my video. Same guy. So anyways, because it's vacuum leaking on that valve right there, which is the purge valve on the motor, it's going to suck down the fuel tank and cause issues. So got to get one of those valves in the morning because I'm pretty well done for the day. And my readings are doing really good. They are, I mean, they're within 5, right? 5, 6. That's pretty good. On the long term, that's really good. On short term, that's really good. So let me just, he's got the Chevy Thunder going on there. It's correcting a little bit. I mean, that's doing pretty good. And the O2 sensors are working. I'm pretty sure that if I pump the brakes a bunch, it goes way into the positives, right? Yep. Bringing the fuel up because I'm pumping the brakes because I'm creating a vacuum leak. So that means the O2 sensors got to be working, but we can check those too. I'm sure that they're in this thing because I was resetting. Yep. Let me just. Yep. So there was where they were going all wild. We're looking at sensor 1 there. Sensor 1 will tell you how wild everything's going. Yeah, see if we create ourselves a vacuum leak by pumping the brakes, we go way low on the millivolts, and then we let them hang for a minute, and they jump right back up, trying to get it back to stoichiometric efficiency. And if you want to do it quicker, you just give it a tiny touch of throttle. And then they'll all correct. So the cats are working and everything's working. So it just needs a vent valve. No codes, 0 codes. This is strictly a data diagnostic manual. Pull that hose off, see if it's leaking with it disconnected, because with it disconnected, no power and ground to it, it should not have any vacuum at it at all with the engine running, and it does. So we know that's bad. So hope this helps somebody, because you know, eventually it would have caused some kind of code, I think. Although I've seen guys drive around like this for a while without getting tons of crazy codes if they're on the throttle a lot. So anyways, hope this helps somebody. See you later. Like, comment, subscribe. Better do it.